Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off motivational messages in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then tap on the cog icon. Then tap on preferences, and here we can tap on motivational messages and turn it off if we don't want to have them. And if we want to turn it back on, we just tap on the button again to have it back on. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.